This is a review of the Feiyu Pocket 2. In my previous video, I said I was going to order the Feiyu Pocket 1, but then I noticed the Feiyu Pocket 2 was on sale on the Feiyu Pocket manufacturer website. I went to $199 USD, which came to $250 Canadian dollars. So I got it in the mail, got it today, and here it is right here. It's a very small device. I think the body is like 3 inches. I think right here. I put a measuring ruler right here beside it. And it's very compact, folks. It's very compact. Also, the body's all metal. It's very sturdy metal. It's amazing. I used it today at the Scarborough Town Center. So I'll post that video today after this video. It's rendering right now. So I did it in 2K. It's like 2160 by 150. I'll put the specs on the screen below, but yeah, I'm very happy with it. So far so good. I'm still working out, the option, the features and everything. So also you'll hear some rubbing. What happened was in the video, this part right here, the lanyard, this part right here was rubbing against the body, so you hear that. So that's what that is. The sound could be a little bit better on the Feiyu Pocket 2, but I'm not shocked. I'm not disappointed by that. But the image quality, I'm shocked at. It's really good for the price. A lot of the reviewers online who show this, the test footage, are actually showing something else. I don't think it's the same footage, folks. What I'm finding with this thing is a way better footage. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. Feiyu Pocket 2. I got it from $199 USD from the manufacturer website. I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but yeah, this is my first test footage at Scarborough Town Center. I'll do more of it while I get used to it, the features and options. I'm still getting used to it, so yeah, take a look at the footage.